Hello guys, welcome back. It's me, Leonard, and today we will be doing a house tour. So let's get started, guys. This is the hallway going to the master's bedroom, master's bathroom, and the master's closet. So let's go. First, go to the master bedroom, aka my parents' bedroom. Right here. Let's open it up. This is the largest room in the house, of course, because it's master. So here this is their bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. It's so massive, can't believe it. This their bed right there, the window. My dad's some desks, their massage chair, and a TV. So let's go to the master's bathroom. It's bigger than my bedroom. So this is the master's bathroom. There's a tub right there, the window there, the shower area there. So this is the master's bathroom. It looks nice. They look comfy here. So let me show you the master's closet. There's like two closets together. So this is the master's closet. Looks cool. Looks big. There. Let me show you everything. Here. Okay. So let me show you the toilet area. Because there's a bathroom, right? Bathroom I showed you. So there's a door right by the side. When you open this door right here next to the master's closet, when you open this thing, kabam! Is there a mini toilet? It's like separated from the bathroom. This is their storage right here. The toilet's right here. Okay. So let me show you my bathroom. My bathroom is next to my bedroom. It's a little bit big, it's long, but it's not wide. Let me show you. So this is my bathroom. It's next to my bedroom right here. So let me show you my bathroom. It's long, but it's not wide, okay? So let me open this. And there you go. There's my bathroom. It has two sinks here, but I use this sink for toothbrushing, mouth gargling, all that kind of stuff. There's a shower right there. There's a toilet. All my towels go here. Shower rack, and there is my shower. It's like a tub, but it's actually a shower. I stand in it. Guys, just like sit down in it. So this is my bathroom. It looks cool. So nice. This is my bathroom. So let me show you the spare bathroom. It's a half bathroom, one half. It has a toilet and a sink, but has no shower. We call it half bathroom. Call those spare bathrooms right next door to us. So let me show you the spare bathroom. Okay, guys, let's rock and roll. Spare bathroom or half bathroom. So let me open this thing. And there we go. It's a small bathroom. Good for guests to go here. Can't take a shower here. So this is the spare bathroom or guest bathroom. Right here, one sink. So let me show you the mudroom. This is where all the shoes, the clothes, the leashes, and the hats go. Call it the mudroom right here. It's right beside our laundry room. Laundry room, this is where we do all our laundry. Right here, the washer dryer. This is our laundry room, guys. Let me show you the kitchen next. Okay. Guys, let me show you my living room and the dining room. So there's the hallway going to my living room and my dining room and also the kitchen. So this is the living room right here. Looks nice, so big. Right there, that's a TV. Couches right there. There's the living room portion. There's a kitchen portion right here. There's the kitchen right there. And the dining room's right here. So we got the counter chairs. There's the dining room right here. The kitchen right here again. Kitchen. The dining room. Guys, let me show my backyard. So there's the door going to my backyard. It's right here. The backyard's right here. Our beautiful backyard. Sorry guys, but it's a little bit windy right here. So this is my backyard. So it's long, but it's very long. We got the pool right there. You see it right there, the blue round thing. This patio. It's nice, right? So guys, let me show you my own beautiful bedroom. This is my bedroom right here. A little bit darker because I'm my bedroom. Guys, we are heading to the spare room, or you can call it the guest room. So let me show you the guest room, or the spare room. It's called spare room because I'm easier. The front door's right there. So this is the spare bedroom. Sorry for the colorness, guys, because this is where my mom do all her ironing and all that kind of stuff. Spare bed's right here. It's a little bit small, but it's still usable. Usable spare room. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and hope you like and subscribe this video. Guys, please like and subscribe this video. I love y'all.